Alright guys, so here's the plan.
I think I'm gonna place it right up here. My plan is to snake it down here. I think there's a vent usually back there for exhausting out pressure. We'll bring it in here, push it through here, get it all into the carpet, come around the back side. I'm either gonna come in down here down the channel or I'm gonna go to the carpet. I haven't really decided that part yet. We're gonna find out as we open it up. Sorry for the wind again. Of course it's windy where I live. And then here, again, either we come up here and go through or we end up in the channel somewhere. And ultimately, right here is where this setup is. You guys should have seen this before if you looked at my other video. But depending on what we end up doing, we may put it somewhere around here. So we'll go ahead and see what we're gonna do. Get you guys set up and start running the cable. Thanks guys. Alright guys, we're in my truck. I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this seat, try to get behind it, see what I can see. Hopefully I can find a nice easy angle after this. I don't know if I tear my whole truck apart, but let's get to it. 18mm, 3/4 inch. Found my penny. And I don't know what that is. I think. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go get me a plastic remover, get this trim out. Another Capri tool. I'm not sponsored by them. I bought all their stuff. I just like it. Good price, good value. It's not let me down, so if I'm gonna have to take that out. Looks like it. I'll go with 12. Oh, 13. Aha. Not 12, 13. All right. Let's bring you guys a little closer. Turn you guys up a little bit. All right, so here's the plan. As you see, I got these vents. I'm thinking I'm just gonna snake it down into here. I know I could drill another hole. I don't know what that's about. But my concern with drilling another hole is twofold. One, I don't really want to deal with, if I drill another hole, I gotta seal it. I don't think I want to deal with that. So that's number one. Number two is, I don't know what it would matter if I just come in through this bottom vent right here. So I can't imagine that being that bad of a plan. Especially when you got like a vent like this one. This one, I think, broke. Yeah, so like, some of these are wide open all the time now. They don't even have the little flap to come down. So, yep, I'm definitely gonna do that. Maybe I'll come into the top vent. Rope this way, come down this trim. So that's starting to sound like the plan, guys. So, let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully that'll stay and not mess anything up. So let's go outside and start bringing that wire in, see if I can snake it in here. All right, guys. All right, so here we go. Go ahead and keep it here. Use these holes to zip tie it. Come down this channel. I'm sure it's dark down there. Try to get it on the other side. So let's see if we can get you on the other side, guys. With that, come right along here. So let's turn you guys around a little bit. So here's the plan. Follow that wire. Chase with that tube. Put on the back side and keep going. All right, that should work. As you can see, between underneath this portion, so it's protected. Now we're gonna do the same thing this way. We're just gonna route it. I have no idea where I'm gonna set you guys up. You can mount it under the seat, which I have this tray. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is this tray mounted right there. And I feel like I could hook something up to that where it slides in here. And I think, see, it moves with it. So I'd probably be okay if I screwed into it. So again, if you guys don't got one of these, lifesaver, guys. I think Home Depot, this is a little Husky 1/4 inch 5/16. Put a socket or a little bit on one side. It's awesome. All right, let's see. There you go, that's in there. Nice, secure. This is the goal now. I should be able to take this guy, move it out the way. Look at that, dude. Look at that. That is so clean. Then we got a power source to find out. Other than that, we're good. Alright, so I'm gonna troubleshoot power. I'm gonna clean this all up. I'm gonna get that all cleaned up. See down there, I'm gonna end up rolling this up and tucking all this under here. But I think that's clean. I think I like it. I mean, look at that. Perfect. Good decision, guys. I'll catch you in a little bit. Alright guys, so here you go. I decided to mount it down here. I talked to my wife. That's pretty much what happened. No, you know, I originally was looking up here, but if you guys look at this, it's a really heavy duty cable. And I found it to be difficult to get it up here with mounting the unit where I wanted it. So that kind of ended up where it at. I like it though, because at the end of the day, I can talk from up here. I can set it in this nice cubby, put it right here, do all my conversation, you know, do the comms, and then when I'm done for the day, it's out of the way. So kind of like that for right now though, excuse me. There you go, I connected it, routed it under, gave it enough slack on the bottom side so that the seat can go all the way back and forward and back, and then covered up the USB port for right now. You see the red cable down there. I have not wired in the power. I was going to, but we're gonna be heading out right now. So right now, it's just plugged into a cigarette lighter. What I am gonna do is just basically cut it here, sneak it underneath there, pull this whole back cover off, and wire it to a cigarette lighter on the back side. So I think that'll be clean, it'll be easy. This cigarette lighter hardly is being used, and honestly, we're changing it up. I saw a guy do something really clever. Forgive me for not remembering what his name was, but he's on one of the overland pages I follow. He puts cigarette lighters or USB chargers right here in the doors, on all three doors. I'm definitely doing that. I might do it on 4, maybe, because we're always looking for something to charge. This cubby gets used for nothing, and I think putting a little charger right there will make it so that we can just toss some stuff in there if we have to, or the boys both have chargers on both sides and they can mount their stuff. So there you go guys, there's my quick install. Relatively quick, it probably took me about an hour and a half, but I think it's clean. So there you go, here to there. I got the wire, the remaining wire right here, it's traveling through this channel, going on the back side, coming across, going in, cutting it back, going into the back here. You guys can see it right there. Put some sticky backs up so that's a little cleaner there, and then here. And so if I don't like this magnetic base, guys, the great part about it is I can pull it off and I can buy the other bracket, put it in an angle right here, mount the antenna right there, mount the antenna right here instead, which is exactly where I was going to mount it originally. So no matter what, I'm covered. I'm gonna rock the antenna base, or the magnetic base for right now. If I decide I don't like it, I'll put a different base right here. And that's it, guys. So, hope you like it. Again, do me a favor. For right now, if you do like the video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification so you can get alerted to new videos that come out every week. And share the video, please, guys. I'm really trying to build up my followers. I'm trying to get out better content. I'm trying to make better videos. I'm working on lighting. I know that my last video was really dark. I didn't really consider that, so I did this video earlier in the day. But do me a favor, you know, help out, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment down below. Ask me if you got any questions. Hopefully in a couple weeks, I'll get to test it out. I'll let you know what it's like. Have a great one, guys.